My name is Ganesh Dattatreya Korle. I am telling information about Lalita Babbar, born 2 June 1989, is an Indian long distance runner. She was born in a small village in the Satara district, Maharashtra. She prominently competes in the 3000 meter steeplechase and is the current Indian record holder and the reigning Asian champion in the same event. Lalita Babbar was named as Sportsperson of the Year in the Indian Sport Award 2015 organized by Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of
Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Mauzere and now I am telling information about Pankaja Munde. Her father Gopinath Munde was the Deputy CM of Maharashtra in 1990. Pankaja Munde was the Minister of Rulers and Women and Child Development in the Devendra Fadnavis cabinet. She is known as the businesswoman in the sugar factory sector and bank sector. She received the Powerful Political Award in the year of 2017. One of the mass leader and fire plant leader from the Maharashtra state. Thank you.
Hi, I am Suyash. I will tell information about Tulsi Munda. Tulsi Munda, born on 15 July 1947, she is a social activist from the Indian state of Odisha. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 2001 by Indian government for her contribution to spreading literacy among the impoverished Adivasi peoples of Odisha. Munda started an informal school in 1964 in Odisha's iron ore mining area to educate children from local Adivasis population who would otherwise have ended up as a child labor in the mines. She had been a child labor in the mines. Thank you.
My name is Sumit Kalange. Today I will tell about Pratibha Rai. He was born on 21 January 1943 at the Alobal, a remote village in the Balukhuda area of Jagdishanpur district, formerly part of Cuttack district of Odisha state. She was the first woman to win the Murti Dev Award in 1991. She was an Indian writer. Her first novel, Barsa Basanta by Shakha 1974, was a bestseller. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Vikram Tanajapko and today I am telling information about the girl literacy rate in Odisha and Maharashtra. It is calculated in 2011. The girl literacy rate of Maharashtra is 75.87% and the girl literacy rate in Odisha is 74.1%. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Arjun Hamashinde. Today I am telling information about Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan. The government is also concerned with declining child sex ratio and in 2015 it launched Beti Bachao Beti Padhao seems to create awareness on the need to protect the girl child and focus on their education. We at Action Aid have welcomed these schemes and wish to support the government initiatives through our intervention. We seek to work with communities to celebrate the girl child and ensure the protection of the girl child. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Santosh Meravne. Now I am telling information about importance of education for women. Women's education contributes to overall development and progression of our country. Women plays very vital roles in our lives. A society lags behind if its women weep silently. An educated woman builds a better environment for her family members. Women play a significant role in society: a wife, a mother, a sister, a caretaker, a nurse, etc. They have a better understanding of the social structure and are more compassionate towards the need of other. An educated mother will weep the importance of female education the same as boys. Thank you.